Hello everyone, I'm Manoj. Today we are very proud to announce our first book from the TriboNet, that is TriboNet's Guide to Tribology. This is authored by myself, Aida and Jitendra, and in this video I would give you an introduction of what this book is about and why do you have to buy this book and also why do you need this book. Tribology is a field of science which deals with interaction of materials and surfaces that are in contact or in motion and generate friction and wear. This field is crucial because friction and wear frequently determines the lifespan of these materials that helps in enhancing their durability through various tools. This, as we all know, is an introduction to tribology, and there are a lot of other fields in tribology which has come over time, and it is very important for us to understand each field and each of the topics in those fields. And this book is one of the finest books where you can find all the information about different areas of tribology. Why do you have to know about this book, or why do you want this book? This textbook is designed to help students and engineers who are new to the field of tribology to learn tribology concepts in a very simple way. It guides readers through the fundamentals of tribology, explaining the core principles, mechanisms, and processes, as well as testing methods for tribological properties. This comprehensive approach provides a solid introduction to tribology and its applications. The guide also provides references for an interested reader for more detailed information. And what does this book contains? The first chapter in the book deals with tribology and its application. Here we try to explain what are the different fields and the impacts of the Industrial Revolution on tribology. The second chapter is tribological surfaces and adhesion. In this chapter, it focuses mainly on the tribological surfaces by discussing the surfaces and their related properties and their composition, what are the crucial understandings of their behaviors in different applications. In chapter 3, the concepts of friction and its theories. And in this chapter, we deal mainly with the theories of the friction and their effects of how the materials and the properties changes due to the friction. And in the chapter 4, it deals mainly with the wear and its types. And in this chapter, we explain the different wear mechanisms and their causes, their surface deterioration process, etc. And in chapter 5, it deals mainly with the lubrication and its classification. Here we cover mainly the classical principle of lubrication, how it helps in preventing the friction and wear, and also it explores lots of lubricants and their mechanisms. Chapter 6 is about the surface roughness and its modification. Here in this chapter, we mainly deal with understanding how the surface roughness leads to various tribological properties and how to mitigate them, their role in influencing the tribological properties, and also it covers like various methods of surface modification, how to avoid different surface tribological properties. And chapter 7 finally deals with the tribological testing setups and the surface characterization techniques. Here this chapter mainly deals with the tribological properties, how to test them, such as friction, wear, and lubrication tests. Corrosion is also covered. Further, it focuses on the surface characterization techniques that helps to measure the surface properties through imaging, physical and chemical analysis. So these are the 7 chapters in which the textbook mainly deals about. And finally, where to find the textbook. This textbook is available on the Amazon.com, and you can just type the title TriboNet's Guide to Tribology and you will be able to find the link to buy this book. And this is the book which we have developed mainly for the free of cost. However, you would have certain amount which you have to pay on the Amazon. The reason is for the printing cost. So this is one of the book we developed for helping students and engineers who are into the tribology, to help them to understand the basic concepts. And also you can get more information on our websites as well. But this book helps you in getting all the comprehensive information at one place. And it can be a guide which you can refer for, like say for example, if you have a doubt in particular information, you can just refer to that book. Thank you. And if you have any other queries, please do contact us.